Yo guys, what is going on? It's Joker here. Welcome back to another episode of BlizzardMC. Today, we recently chose the giveaway winners. I recorded the clip. It should be the clip, the intro. This clip should be after the giveaway winner. And we got the winners. I gave one of the three winners. The two other winners were AFK, so I gave them 24 hours to claim the prize. Otherwise, I'm gonna re-roll. But today, we're gonna be opening a lot of stuff. So if I do, let me find my PV, man. Okay, right here, PV 17. We have all of this Fallen Heroes. We have April 2019 CC that we're gonna be opening today, and I'm gonna host another giveaway for June CC. I'm not sure if it's one or two, but yeah, I'm gonna host another giveaway for it. So stay tuned. And we're gonna open some keys today, so let me see what do I have. Mm, Not gadget keys. Trying to get some Blizzard, man. Barely got any. I'm not gonna open the armor keys. Alright, I'm gonna open those. That's it. I don't want to open too much keys because it gets boring. Like, it's not fun to watch. So let's start with the 3 Blizzard. Alright. Gosh, get great key. I'm just gonna open the Hurricane. I'm not gonna open the rest. Alright. Oh, we got some more collectors. Okay. Also today I'm gonna be showing you guys the box, my box. I'm sharing it with a faction member, and we're gonna be buying some IGs as well. Let's redeem all these mob coins and trash. Let me put all of this in trash. Yeah, that's it. Sell hand. Let's sell this real quick, and let's PV the rest. PV 17. Alright, so now I'm gonna be opening up the muscle crate right here. It's in my hand. The rewards aren't the best, but they're good. They're not bad. Yeah, we can pull out Blizzard rank, which I can give away if we got. Some soul gems, that would be insane, and some IGs and stuff. So that's pretty good. Let's open it in 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna open all of them. I'm not gonna wait. Right here, let's see what we get. Grinder set, Titan set, more Titan set, 24 Blaze Spawners, admin item, 8 IGs, chunk busters, and black scrolls. For the final item, let's see 3, 2, 1, go. I got a dragon mask. Is that good? Male, is that good? Oh, well that's a GG then. We got it. Yeah, I can tell. Man. Alright, let's PV this, all of this right now. I'm gonna add it to the box later. And I think that's it for the first clip. I'll catch y'all in just a second when I find out what to do with the next clip. The box that I'm sharing with, that's my own box. And right now we're gonna make our IG grinders. So I have almost 2 stacks and a half of IGs, and I have 99 million. So we're gonna spend that money on IGs. We're gonna buy some. Let's see how much I can buy. Ooh, I can buy another stack. Let's go. Okay, that turned into a monster spawner. That's weird. Whatever. There we go. So let's buy some blocks and no, I don't want to buy obsidian. Let's do this. Yep, this should be fine. Although I need to find a pickaxe. Alright, so I'm gonna make the pillars right now. They should be on top. This is gonna be our spawner room. There's my faction member is making the box design on top of this. So this is the spawner room for us. Let me find my pickaxe real quick. Oh my god, it takes forever for me to find my stuff, the stuff that I need to organize my PVs. Where did I put those, man? Found pickaxe everywhere. PV9, please. Nope, it's not even in PV9. dude, I thought it was here. Come on, man. Where is it? Man, I have a lot of stuff. PV18. Oh, there's something. Dude. Wait, what are these spawners? I'm not gonna bother opening them. I'll just buy a normal pickaxe off the shop. What am I doing? Yep, I'll just mine. But it'll take forever. Whatever. So we're gonna mine all of this right now and then go start placing the spawners. I hope it fits. And by the way, you guys don't need to use like the lava and the old grinder ways. You just have to place collectors. Because I think IGs fall to IGs will have to fall to their death, just like villagers. Oh, I got a mining key. And okay, let's start placing. Wait, is it right? Yeah, it is right. Okay. So let's. Oh wait, I forgot to put collectors. Oh my god, that was a big fail. Yikes. Okay, chill, mail, chill. You're placing blocks and they're coming on me. You're using printer right now. You're going on bottom. Stop using the printer. They're filling everywhere, bro. Bruh, you made a mess over here. Whatever, let's just clean it up real quick. Printer is kinda bad on here, but whatever. For our box design, I don't even know if it's allowed. Yeah, just don't use it to print to stab stuff, man. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, should be good. So let's keep placing spawners. These make a lot of money actually. All you have to do is just AFK them. Probably gonna put an alt AFK them overnight. Let's keep placing. Probably gonna make another pillar soon. Please don't tell me they're stacking in this one. No, they're not. Cool. Alright, so we're gonna do this. First stack done. Damn, there's a lot actually. Didn't expect to be that much. So I'll just place them because that's gonna will take some time. I'll just place them and I'll catch y'all in just a second. Alrighty guys, so it has been like a couple hours after that last clip. I took a small break for some specific reason. And right now, if you look at the right side of the screen, I have 200 million. And what we're gonna do with this money, we're gonna CF actually. We're gonna see if coin flip it all. So let's just create the coin flip right now. Wait, let me see how to make it. CF 20,200 2 mil, 20 mil, 200 mil. Tails. Wait, what? Did I put the wrong number? CF 2,000, 20,000, 200,000, 2 mil, 20 mil, 200 mil. Tails. Oh, never mind. It's about colors. Alright, so we're gonna go with the green one. Alright, let's see if anybody joins it. I hope somebody. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, this guy is rich as hell. Oh, please. Please let me see. I'm closing my eyes. I'm not checking, guys. Let's go, dude. GG's. GG's. Damn, dude. I didn't even expect that I'm gonna win. But yo, 390 million. I think I'm gonna put all of that. I'm gonna put like 20, 30 million in IGs, and I'm gonna probably keep the rest on me. Just if I need to cop some stuff of the auction house, you know. Maybe some classes if some people will be selling. So I think that's it for this part of the video. I'm gonna record the final clip for the video, and I think I'm gonna wrap it off. But I'll see you guys in just a second. Alright guys, so for the final clip of the video, we're gonna be capping KOTH. So basically my friend spawned a KOTH and we're here like we're 8 man and we're all in God. So we're gonna cap the KOTH and hopefully we'll get some good rewards. I see nobody in here. If I see anybody, I was hoping that there's some people in here so we can have some PvP. But it seems like there's nobody coming, so I'll update y'all if there's anything if anything happens. Alright guys, so it looks like Wall Street factions here and they're fighting. So let's see if we can help them. Damn, they're ganking on us. Let's see if I can get somebody in here. Bro, I can't see anybody. How much in here? Oh. Server's lagging right now. Bro, only one guy? Wait, did I turn my souls on? I did not. Okay. Yikes, kinda lagging. Oh, come on, don't run, don't run. I think they're gonna run to the dirt. Oh, it's about to drop. Damn it. Where did he go? Did he go? Can't see anything, man. I'm gonna help this guy. Alright, let's take this guy. Bro, I can't even see you fighting. This guy? Oh my god, I almost dropped. Thank god I checked my heart. Alright, let's see. Let's see who we have here. I'm trying to stick one guy, but I can't even find anyone stick. It's laggy a lot. We barely can PvP. Yo, shall we go in? I don't think we're going in. Let me pre-pearl. Oh my god, I dropped my sword. Oh my god. Bruh, oh my god, I almost fell actually. Let me buy a quick sword of auction house. This one is cheap. Alright, are we going in? I don't even have depth. Duck, what are we doing in here? Yeah, let's just pre-pearl. Oh my god, this guy's 24. This guy's 8. Oh my god, no way, I killed him. Oh, I didn't kill him. It wasn't me. Where's my pearl? Wait, my pearl didn't work. What? Dude, my pearl didn't work. Yikes, dude, my pearl didn't work. Oh, come on, man. Alright, we're sticking this guy, I guess. Oh my god, I don't even have depths. Please let me out. Yikes. Alright, I think I'm dead over here. Come on, man. Fight me like a man. No one even here wanna fight me. Yikes, that failed. Imagine just killing somebody while being trapped. Yikes, yeah, I'm dead. Yikes. Alright, that's it for today's episode, guys. Thank you all for watching. And thanks for 300 subscribers. I'm blowing up so fast, dude. The first video almost got like 116 views, which is insane. I didn't even expect to get that much amount of views. And yeah, I think that's all about it for today. Thank you all for watching, and peace out.